Want to know how to reduce cancer risk by up to 80%? I'm Dr. Grier of Bright Futures Chiropractic, and I'll fill you in on how to do so during this short video. First, let me start with a story, though. One fine October day, there was a Harvard medical student and one of his professors walking along the river in Cambridge. Suddenly, they both noticed a person struggling in the river. The student valiantly jumped in and pulled the person to safety. Then they continued walking. Moments later, there were two people struggling in the river, and again the student jumped in and brought the people to safety. Only a few more strides up the river, and there were 10 people struggling in the river. The student quickly realized this was too overwhelming and pleaded with the professor, "Why aren't you helping me save these people?" The professor stopped and calmly said, "Because I'm walking up the river to figure out why they're falling in." Now, in this story, do you agree that both the student and the professor are doing the right thing? I mean, the drowning people need help, right? And we also need to figure out why people are falling in the first place. After all, preventing people from metaphorically falling in the river is far better than simply waiting for them to be drowning before throwing them a rope. Okay, on to the topic at hand. Every October is National Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And every month, charities mount a big push to raise money for research to help treat breast cancer. Research for new therapies are funded by the charities, including chemotherapies, other drugs, radiation, and surgery. And screening techniques are also developed to help determine earlier when a person has cancer. These are valiant efforts indeed, because a lot of people have cancer and they all need help. However, these folks represent the people already in the river. Other groups have done great work figuring out why people get cancer in the first place, and I want to highlight one of these: vitamin D deficiency. I'll make this as simple as possible because the research is so clear at this point. Getting your vitamin D levels to an optimal range of 40 to 60 or more is shown to prevent 77% of all non-skin cancers and up to 83% of breast cancer. This is the best evidence-supported way to prevent cancer, and it's simple to do so. Here's how. First thing, get your vitamin D tested. Either talk with your doctor about doing a blood draw, or pick up a kit here at Bright Futures Chiropractic, or get a kit online at grassrootshealth.net. Now that's grassrootshealth.net, and while you're there, be sure to check out all the research they've published on this topic. Second thing, start supplementing. If you're an adult, it has been shown to be completely safe to take 10,000 IU of vitamin D per day. You can do that for a mere 43 cents a day with the vitamin D we carry here at Bright Futures Chiropractic. What about getting this vitamin D from the sun? Now, check out my announcement at the end of the video for more on that subject. But first, let me recap. 43 cents a day of vitamin D will help prevent nearly 80% of all cancer. Please share this video if this information could be useful to your friends. Get your vitamin D levels tested, know your levels, supplement daily, and be sure to check with your chiropractor. Have a chiropractor on your health advisory team who is focused on how to grow health and prevent its decline. That's what we do here at Bright Futures Chiropractic. If you're curious how we might be able to help you, give us a call and set up a complimentary 15-minute consultation with me. Okay, now about that topic of getting vitamin D from the sun, the bottom line is this: you're not getting enough sun to get the vitamin D levels that you need. At least I know that's true if you're like most Americans. Again, I'm Dr. Grier from Bright Futures Chiropractic. Enjoy the day.